Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Om. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Yo Antah Pravishya Mama Vachamimam Prasuptam सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणु श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरततिशुभगं वश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोरुहललितपदम् आवयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्य दद्मो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गंगा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः
हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवन स्मरण गोविंद गोविंद। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनंद चिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. So last week we had lovely Parayan from 1 to 50. You all did so well. And then just few days ago we heard it from Yoma also. I hope you all watched it. If not, then later. One must hold that as a benchmark. And we all have been trained to say fast, fast, but that was such a pleasant change to hear it in such a controlled speed. And if you'll see the full video, it's like about 6.5 hours. So I think for our class also, let us not rush and enjoy that, but let's not drag it. So having said all that, and keep up a good speed. So that 6 hours is a good benchmark if we go very steady. So those who haven't listened to it, please do. I'll post another link, which is, which is edited link in the sense those waiting period and all is not there into it. So we can hold that as a benchmark and to improve ourselves, to get inspired, somebody with that highest quality when you hear. And then sometimes if we want to do a mini parad, let's say we want to do 10 dashakams daily, and then you can hold that as a benchmark, keep that as a background and do your 10 dashakams every day. As we have learned till 50. So if you want to do over a week, Monday to Friday, 1 to 50. So we have like so many combinations you can plan so that every day you are doing Narayana. That has to come as a practice. Also, a thought has come that make one big book, and some of you are already doing that, and start writing the dashakams, looking in the book with correct spellings. And we have got in between so many things to chant, right? So, written all that over there. So, that is your main book rather than the whole text, and you keep flipping your pages through the meanings and all, and that can be your grantha. So your writing has to be perfect, and where you can put your markings, where you have to do it together, where you can break in the way it has to be chanted. The writing has to come like that. No rasvadirga mistake should happen. No scratching, no scribbling over, like a perfect, neat notebook. So you have to take time to write it. A dashakam per day is good enough to have about 50 dashakams in next 50 days. By that time, the other dashakams would add. And slowly it will progress. So maximum it will be 100 days only, right? So in next 3 months, your book will be ready in that sense. But find a good day and don't write all at the same time. Then shlokas and then scribble through it. I have written some 2, 3 in the morning, 2, 3 in the afternoon. Spending not more than 15 minutes on it. So that the book is neat without a scratch. So that you can read your own handwriting even after 10 years. In that way, it has to be written. If you can do that, that would be fantastic. Many of you have done it. You have shared your work with me already. But this, for those who have not started or not thought, we can have it done that way. Okay. So having said all these thoughts, let's get into 51st, our next set. It feels like we're starting from fresh kind of 1 to 50 is done. 50 is done. Okay. So the definition we have done. Atiruchira is the new chandas. We have not seen that. And I'm sure everybody has done. I've got some personal message also with the answers over there. But let us see now. So how is the Gana division? What's happened over there? I'll put it all on the screen so that okay. Who has done what? How many Ganas are there?
Jagana. Ja, Bha, Sa, Ya, and End Guru.
So how many syllables?
13.
13 syllables. So how many ganas are there basically? That means
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 ganas. So 4 ganas, 3 alphabets each, 12. And then the last one is the guru. Okay. Has everybody written in the similar way? Have you done
Varshaji, I got 14 syllables. I got as Chaturgraha as 5. Is it not 5? Is it only 4?
Rahai.
Chaturgrahaihi?
Atrahi.
Hi, right? So it is,
Chaturgrahai.
there is no,
There is no
high he, it is, right?
Visarga.
Oh, okay, got it.
He is a Visarga. I keep saying that's it. It's a Visarga. So four padas. And so can you just say the Gana? Why is it Sagana?
Which Sa is 2 Laghu and 1 Guru. Sa.
Guru is in the end.
Yeah, Guru is in the end.
Then?
The Guru is in the middle, the first one.
Mm.
Then in the second one, Guru is first.
Mm.
Jau, Giti. Then Ruchira, again Guru is in the end. Then Chaturgraha will be Laghu, Guru, Yagana. And then last is also Guru.
So everything is clear now with the Ganas. Anybody has any doubt? All have got the answers. Anybody lagging behind, please let me know. We can discuss this all over again if it is required.
Varshaji, could you just tell me Chaturgrahai? It is Lagu. Can you just tell whether Lagu is it Lagu Guru? Chaturgrahai.
So Gra is a conjunct. So the one before that would be
Guru. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Varshaji. I got yes.
A, I, O permanently are Dirgha Swaras. So Hai is also going to be Guru. Now correct? Okay. Great. So we have not spent time. We've spent with everything all together, 15 minutes. Target is to complete 2 dashakams with his grace. So let us see. And where are my little ones? Yes, I got them. Sweet tooth. Okay, one more thing. Who watched the cartoon? Who had watched that cartoon? Because today this Aghasura Vadha, and the next one is that Brahmaji's ego. All that is shown in that cartoon, very nice. So those who have not watched it, please, probably I'll say the timestamp. If you want a shortcut and not spend those 4-5 hours, don't spend 4-5 hours in one stretch. Just one katha. It's very nicely done. Where rarely we get on our stories some nice cartoons. So
Ma'am, what's the name of the channel?
that I will not remember instantly, but I had posted the link. But again, I'll post giving the timestamp of this today's Dashakam Aghasura and the next Brahmaji's Igolu. It's very nicely done in that. Very cute one. Okay. Let us start Dashakam 52, 51, Aghasura Vadhavarnanam, Atiruchira Chandas. Okay. कदाचन व्रजशिशुभिः समं भवान्
कदाचन व्रजशिशुभिः समं भवान्
वनाशने विहितमतिः प्रगेतराम्
वनाशने विहितमतिप्रगेतराम्
समावृतो बहुतरवत्समण्डलैः
समावृतो बहुतरवत् समण्डलैः.
So, Nuna is given full in Essence Shastri, print mistake, make it a Halantana only. Sate manair niragamadishaje manaihi.
समावृत बहुतर समण्डलैः
The last line. Sate manair nigamadishje manaihi.
सते मनैर्निरग मदीशजे मनैः.
You want me to do two lines, or you would be able to chant the whole?
Anything.
Okay, go ahead then.
कदाचन व्रजशिशुभिः समं भवान् वनाशिने विहितमतिः प्रगेतरा समावृतो बहुतरवत्समण्डलैः सते मनैर्निरगदिशजे मनैः.
Sate manairniragamadisaje manaihi. So now what happens? Kadachana. Once upon a time. Vraja shishubhihi. Third case, plural. By instrumental. With. So with Vraja shishu. All the kids, children. Samam. With. With them. Bhavan. You. Bhattatriji is saying to Lord. Vanashane. Vanashana, ashana is to eat. Vana is in the forest. To go somewhere in the forest and eat. One small day trip, one small picnic. Vihitamati, decided. Pragetaram. Pragetaram is like before the sun could rise, that we should start early in the morning and have, go to the forest, eat over there, play over there. Come by evening, like that they had decided. And then Samavritaha. Samavritaha is with all around, everywhere. Bahutara, so many. Vatsa mandalai also. Vatsa calf mandalai. So many calves also are there around. And they are taking all that. And also Sate manaihi and Jemanaihi are together. Niragamat. Niragamat went. So, with whom? This third case again, Sate manaihi and Jay manaihi, that with lot of curries, with lot of side dishes, and Jay manaihi with rice. So nice rice and all is packed, and so much side dishes and all is taken, and they are off now for a vanashana. Tadachana vrajashishubhis samam bhavan vanashane vihitamatif pragetaram Samavruto bahutaravatsamandalaihi Sate manairniragamadisaje manaihi. Niragamat Isha. Isha is a sambodhan. That I didn't explain. Isha, oh Lord, Bhavan, you. And then the whole story. With your friends, you all decided one day that you should go for a picnic, and then all with the calves and with the friends and with all this Sataimana and the Jaimana, they have gone. Next. Viniryatas-tava charanambujadvayat. The ending. Was I not audible? Sorry.
No, you are.
Okay.
वनिर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयाद्
Udanchitan tribhuvana pavanau rajaha.
उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः
Maharshayah pulakadharah kalebaraihi.
महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कलेबरैः
उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः.
उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः विनर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयाद् उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनौ रजः महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कल्लैबरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः.
Viniryataha tava. Tava charanambuja dvayat. Charanambuja, charana feet, ambuja lotus, dvayat two. Your dvayat, like Devat, Panchami. So from your 2 lotus feet, Tava Charanambuja, Tava your. Viniryataha. Viniryataha means when you had set out from your 2 lotus feet. Where is this word from? That Dvayat. That ending of that word, Charanambuja Dvayat. So there is that ending where we stopped him in the pada. Udanchitam. Udanchita is coming up, rising. Tribhuvana Pavanam Rajaha. Rajaha is the dust. So from your lotus feet, Rajaha Udanchita. The dust was rising. As you are walking, the dust is rising. Udanchita. Rajaha Udanchita. And how is that Raja? Tribhuvana Pavan, which purifies all the 3 worlds. Such a Raja is rising when you are walking. Then Maharshayaha, all the Jnanis, all the Devas, the Jnanis, Maharshis, Pulakadharaihi Kalebaraihi. Pulakadhara is getting horripilations. Kalebaraha is again the third case, by their bodies. Why? Because Uduhire, they received that Raja on their bodies, and that is giving them the horripilations. Because the sight to see him is Dhruta Bhavad Ikshanotsavaha. Seeing you, Dhruta Bhavad, seeing you walk like that, and the dust that is rising, that's received on their bodies, and that's giving them a horripilations. Lord's lotus feet's dust, to feel that on the body is giving a horripilation. Just imagination itself is horripilating. Viniryatas-tava charanambujadvayat Udanchitam tribhuvana pavanam rajaha Maharshayah pulakadhareh kalebaraihi Uduhire dhruta bhavadikshanotsawaha. You can break, you can take it together, it's fine because the meaning is going to remain intact. Vibhakti, because we are cutting it in that way. That's it. Your Gita competition was at state level, right?
Yes.
He has won 3rd prize in the state level. First, he had won the prize when it was locally happening, and now at the state level, when he entered, he has got that. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Pracharayatya viralashadvale tale
प्रचारयत्य विरलशाद्वले तले
Pashun vibho bhavati samankumarakaihi.
पशून् विभो भवति समङ्कुमारकैः
Aghasuro nyarunadaghaya vartani.
अघासुरोऽन्यरुणदघाय वर्तनीम्
Bhayanaka sapadi shayanakakritihi.
भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः प्रचारयत्य विरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अघासुरोऽन्यरुणदघाय वर्तनीम् भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः.
So now what happens over here? Pracharati. Pracharayati. So that is the sandhi. Pracharayati and avirala shadvale. Which sandhi? Quickly. Those who were in the sandhi class. E, a, y. Quickly. Unmute and just say. Quickly. Pracharayati. Yan sandhi. Yeah. Very nice. Who was that? Katrima. Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. Yan sandhi it was. Pracharayati avirala shadvale. Pracharayati going with the grazing, where Avirala Shadvala, there was a bush, a very thick bush, or so much grass is grown in that area, Tale, on that ground. And this Pashun, all these cows and all, they were grazing. Then Vibho means it's addressed to the Lord. O Vibho. Vibho is everywhere, the one who is Vibhu. Bhavati Samam Kumarakaihi. And who with you, even all the other boys, by them, all these cows and all also were grazing, and with you all. So that time what has happened? Aghasura, this Asura called as Aghasura, Nyarunar. Nyarunar, he is blocking Rundhati in that sense. Aghaya Vartani. Aghaya is Anagha we know. Correct? Anagha. Sinless, not evil. Agha, papi. Another fourth case, aghaya. For in that sense it is, that will have the fourth case. For aghaya vartani, for a very bad act vartani. Means very sinister plan this Asura had. So what he did, bhayanakaha sapadihi, very deadly sapadi, suddenly, Shayanaka Kritihi, Akriti of a Shayanaka. Shayanaka is the one who keeps on Shayana in the sleep, who is just lying down. Python. So in the shape of a python, he just changed, Aghasura changed with a very sinister plan, and he changed his appearance, and he is on the way blocking when all these kids are around and the cattle are grazing. So in that cartoon, very nicely it is shown that it is nowhere to be seen he's a python. It's like looking like one mountain only, with all the trees and things grown on it, kind of a thing. So when we have that visualization, this understanding will be easy. Pracharayatya virala shadvale tale pashun vibho bhavati samang kumarakaihi aghasuro nyarunadaghaya vartani bhayanaka sapadishayanaka kritihi. Any kids are there? All right. Okay. All others can volunteer. Lataji, I see your hand.
Prahlad is there, Varshaji.
Sorry.
I see Prahlad there.
Prahlad is there. Oh, I didn't see you. Hari Om, darling. Come, I'm so happy to see you. It's been so long. How have you been, dear?
I'm good. How are you?
Awesome. Can't be better. Missed you so much. Let's start. For number 4, you have the text in front of you, right?
Yeah.
Mahachala Pratimatanor Guha Nibha Prasarita Prathita Mukhasya Kanane. So we are not able to stop. So there are Vitvas, Mahachala Pratima. Then Guha Nibha Prasarita Prasarita Prathita Mukhasya. Okay, so 3 Vitvas we will have to hold. Mahachala Pratimatanor Guha Nibha Prasarita Prathita Mukhasya Kanane.
Mahachala Pratimatano Guhani Prasarita Prathita Mukhasya Kanane.
Good. Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukad Gataha.
Mukhodaram Viharana Kautagataha.
Kumarakah Kimapi Vidurage Tvai.
Kumarakah Kimapi Vidurage Tvai. Mahachala Pratimatanor Guhani Prasarita Prathita Mukhasya Kanane. Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukad Gataha. Kumarakah Kimapi Vidurage Tvai.
Very nicely done. Good. So, Mahachala Pratima Tano Guhanibha. Mahachala Pratima. So Mahachala, Achala, Mahachala, like a big mountain. Mahachala Pratima, like that. His Tano, his body, and Guhanibha Prasarita Prathita Mukhasya. And like a guha, like a big cave, he's Prasarita, he's widened his Mukha in that forest. He is lying in that forest. He is lying like that. Then Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukadgataha. So this mouth is so much widened, and it is body is appearing like a mountain, mouth is appearing like a cave, and these boys Vidurage, they have gone little away. This Kumarakaha Kimapi Vidurage, the Kumarakaha Vidurage, the boys who are gone, now they have felt Viharana Kautukad. They felt that they should now explore that. Like how we would, if you have gone for a picnic somewhere and then we see something different and then there is a curiosity. So that Kautukad Gataha Viharana, they thought that they should explore that area, Kimapi, and see what it is out over there. And not only that, they entered also Mukhodaram Gataha. His mouth, they entered his udara through his mouth, means the prey has only walked. So whatever Aghasura had intended has happened. The boys have gone inside the mouth, thinking that it's one cave. And now let us see in the next verse what is happening. Mahachala Pratimatanor Guhani Bhaktasarita Prathita Mukhasya Kanane Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukad Gataha Kumarakah Kimapi Vidurage Tvai. Number 5. Pramadatah Pravishati Pannagodaram.
Pramadatah pravishati pannagodaram.
Kvathattanau Pashupakule Savatsake.
Kvathattanau Pashupakule Savatsake.
Nidan Tvamapi Viveshitha Prabho.
Vidannidam tvamapi viveshitha prabho.
Suhrijjanam Visharanamasurakshitum.
Suhrijjanam visharanamasurakshitum. Pramadatah pravishati pannagodaram. Kvathattanau pashupakule savatsake. Vidannidam tvamapi viveshitha prabho. Suhrijjanam visharanamasurakshitum.
So now what is happening? Pramadataha. It was error. Their mistake. They have not thought well. Pravishati pannaga udaram. Pannaga snake, udaram. Pravishati. They have entered now the belly of the snake, a snake's belly. Kvathat pano. Kvathat is, it's like actually boiling hot. Kind of. They started to feel the heat. The body is getting hot. Kvathat. In Ayurveda, we have this word as kvatha or kvathita. When you boil the herbs and you make a kashayam, it's a kvathita, it's a boiled medicine. So it's a kvatha. So then kvathat, something is boiling there in the belly. Boil, the boiling, the heat is now felt on the tano, on the body of whom? Pashupakule and Savatsake. They have gone in. Who have gone in? All these cowherd boys have gone along. Savatsake, along with the calves also have gone in. And now Pathattano, their body is feeling the heat. Vidan, Idan. Vidan, Nidan. So our sandhi is there, na? Namudagama. Vidan. And then Idam. This, having known, Tvamapi, you also, Bhattatiriji is saying, Viveshitha. So you also entered, Prabho, O Lord, you also entered. For what? Surujjanam, for the friends. Visharanamashu, to protect them. Quickly, Rakshitam, Rakshitum. So to protect them, you also entered into it very quickly, knowing this, that now there is going to be some problem. प्रमादतः प्रविशति पन्नगोदरं क्वथत्तनौ पशुपकुले सवात्सके विदन्निदन् त्वमपि विवेशितः प्रभो सुहृज्जनौ विशरणमाशु रक्षितुम्. So now, number 6. गलोदरे विपुलितवर्ष्मणा त्वया
गलोदरे विपुलितवर्ष्मणा त्वया
महोरगे लुठति निरुद्धमारुते
महोरगे लुठति निरुद्धमारुते
धृतं भवान् oh sorry it didn't get smart sorry धृतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलः
धृतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलाः
मण्डलाः no मण्डलः
धृतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलः
विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ
विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ गलोदरे वर्ष्मणा त्वया महोरगे लुठति निरुद्धमारुते धृतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलः विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ.
So now what happens? The Lord has also entered Galodare. So when he has entered, where his throat comes, no, where the neck of that comes, Vipulita, very big, Varshmana, body, Tvaya, by you, third case, Asmat Shabda, by you, you increase, the body size was increased by you. That would be the example. You increased your body size when you reached his gala. Then that Mahoraga, that means the Mahanuraga, the one who is going through the chest is a Uraga. So Maharaga means this python, this Aghasura in the form of python, Luthati. So when somebody is strangulated, what happens? The whole body and all, they start shaking. So now, why? Niruddha Marute. He couldn't breathe. His neck is obstructed. He cannot breathe. And he started to shiver and shake. Luthati. Who? That Aghasura, that python in the form of python. Then Dhrutam, quickly, Bhavan, you Vidalita Kanthamandalaha. You just tore apart. Vidala. Vidala. You broke his Kantha. And Vimochayan. And Vimochayan who? Pashupa Pashun Vinir Yayo. Vimochayan, you made free. You made them free. Who? All these Pashupas and all these, the cowherd boys and the Vatsakas, you made them free. And Vinir Yayo came out from there. Everybody. So from her only the Lord has increased the size and tore open his neck, body, and everybody was released from that cave-like situation. Galodare vipulita varshmana tvaya mahorage luthati nirubdha marute dhrutam bhavan vidalita kantha mandalaha vimochayam pashupa pashun viniryayau. Number 7. Kshanan divi tvadupama. Kshanan divi tvadupagamārthamāsthitam.
Kshanan divi tvadupagamārthamāsthitam.
Mahasura prabhava maho mahat.
Mahasura prabhava maho mahat.
Vinirgate tvaitu nilina manjasa.
Vinirgate tvaitu nilina manjasa.
Nabhasthale nandruturatho jagussuraha.
Nabhasthale nandruturatho jagussuraha. Kshanam divi tvadupagamārthamāsthitam. Mahasura prabhava maho mahat. विनिर्गते त्वयि तु निलीनमञ्जसा नभस्थले न ऋतुरथो जगुः सुराः.
So now what happens? So now they have killed, they are all out. Trakshanam divi, for a moment, divi in the skies, at the seventh case. Tvad upagamartham asthitam. Tvad, for your upagamartham, for you to come out, asthitam, waited. Who? Mahasura prabhava aho aho. Mahat big aho. My God, some brilliance was awaiting up in the sky for a moment for you to come out. Vadupagamartham. Mahasura prabhava, that Mahasura's prabhava, that prabhava was, that brilliance was waiting, such a big thing. Then Vinirgate, when you came out, that time, so Vinirgate Tvai is a Sati Saptami. When this happened, this happens. So that's like a very beautiful usage of Sanskrit. So Vinirgate Tvai. When you came out, then in you, Nilinam, merged, Anjasa, quickly. At that time, Nabhasthale, from that sky, Nandrituhu, Athaha Jaguhu Suraha. So all the Suras, all the gods, Nandrituhu, danced, Jaguhu sang. So this Aghasura's brilliance got merged in the Lord as soon as the Lord came. Till then, for that a moment, he was waiting in the sky to see the Lord and merge into him. Chanan Devi Tvadupagamārthamāsthitam. That's the difference between us and the Lord. If somebody does little wrong to us, how much lifelong revenge and ill bhavana, evil thing, and what all we do for somebody who does a little wrong to us. That's a big difference between us and the Lord. Ever forgiving, ever compassionate, ever accommodative, ever they can do at that level. For us, lifelong goes, not talking to each other. Kshanan divit tvadupagamārthamāsthitam mahāsura prabhava maho mahat vinirgate tvai tu nilīnamanjasā nabhasthale nandritiratho jagussuraha. Pushpaji. Number 8. Savismayah kamalabhavadibhis suraihi.
Savismayah kamalabhavadibhis suraihi.
Anudrutas tadanugata kumarakaihi.
Anudrutas tadanugata kumarakaihi.
Dine punastaruna dasham upeyushi.
Dine punastaruna dashamupeyushi.
Svakair bhavana tanuta bhojanotsavam.
Svakair bhavana tanuta bhojanotsavam. Savismayah kamalabhavadibhis suraihi. Anudrutas-tadanugata kumarakaihi. Dine punastaruna dashamupeyushi. Swakair bhavana tanuta bhojanotsavam.
So Vismayihi, Kamala Bhava, from Kamala who is born, that is Brahmaji, and Kamala Bhavadibhihi, all the other gods also Suraihi, Vismayihi. So there was a wonder struck by all the gods. Brahmaji and all the gods were wonderstruck. Anudrutaha, after that, Tadanu Gataha Kumarakaihi, along with all the Kumarakas. Dine, the day was still young. And then what they have done is, they have gone and enjoyed Swakair Bhavan Atanuta Bhojanotsavam. They continued to have their picnic continued thereafter. They went and they ate Bhojanotsava. They've brought so many things. So after that, they just came out and they continued. Gods are wonderstruck. Kids have gone back to their play and eating food basically. सविस्मयः कमलभवादिभिः सुरैः अनुद्रुतस्तदनुगतः कुमारकैः दिने पुनस्तरुणदशामुपेयुषि स्वकैर्भवानतनुत भोजनोत्सवम्. ललिताजी. Number 9. विषाणिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके
विषाणिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके
निवेशयन् कबलधरः कराम्बुजे
निवेशयन् कबलधरः कराम्बुजे
प्रहासयन् कलवचनैः कुमारकान्
प्रहासयन् कलवचनैः कुमारकान्
बुभोजितः 13 गणैर्मुदानुतः
बुभोजिथ 13 गणैर्मुदानुतः विषाणिकामपि मुरली नितम्बके निवेशयन् कबलधरः कराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैः कुमारकान् बुभोजितः 13 गणैर्मुदानुतः.
So now they have gone for their Bhojanotsav. Vishanikam api. Vishanika is the horn. Murali is the flute. Nitambake. Nitamba is the waist region, the gluteal region. So the band that is kept over there, the cloth that is tied over there. So this horn, this Murali and all, in that Nitambaka, in that waist band, Niveshayan, he kept. And then Kabaladhara. That in Kabaladhara is the Kabala is that one portion of the rice which he's supposed to eat. Kabaladhara, he's holding that in where? Karambuje, in his lotus-like hand. And then what is he doing? Prahasayan, making his friends laugh by Kalavachanehi. Third case again, by his some words. That means he's joking with his friends, Kumarakan. He's making Kumarakan Prahasayan. He's making the boys laugh with his jokes. And then he's also eating Bubhojita. And he's also eating it simultaneously. And Tridasha Ganaihi, all the gods, Mudanutaha, they are watching from top and they are praising the Lord. विषाणिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके निवेशयन् कबलधरः कराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैः कुमारकान् बुभोजितः 13 गणैर्मुदानुतः. Shamalaji. I missed you. The last one. Sukhasanam tvihatava gopamandale.
सुखाशनन् त्विह तव गोपमण्डले
मखासनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले
मखाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले
इति स्तुतस्त्रिदशवरैर्जगत्पते
इति स्तुतस्त्रिदशवरैर्जगत्पते
मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम्
मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम् सुखाशनन्त्रिह तव गोपमण्डले मुखाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतस्त्रिदशवरैर्जगत्पते मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम्.
Very nicely done. Veena, I have a doubt over here. I have marked over here as Gita chapter 15. Do we chant any chapter 15 verse or entire chapter 15 is chanted? Roma had not done it.
Do the entire chapter 15.
We have to chant, right?
That's what they do here. Vyoma doesn't.
Vyoma did. So in my this, it's marked that we have to do chapter 15 over here.
Jnana Shloka and this is done. Gita.
Yes, it's written over here. So Dhyana Shloka is all the Dhyana Shlokas again.
But it's mainly the chapter 15. Some people do the Gita Dhyana Shlokas. Gita Dhyana Shlokas.
Gita. So please mark it over there. That so some are doing, some are not. But while learning, it is being taught to us like that. I've written it in the notes.
Yeah,
So
so
that
I
means
was told do chapter 15, but I've heard in some places they do the Gita Dhyana Shlokas and chapter 15.
yeah, because it's marked over the shlokas and chapter 15 after this. I've written it clearly, but because now Vyoma is sitting in the mind, it is done as well. Okay, so everybody please mark it over there. Then later we'll decide are we taking one or two dhyana shlokas or one or two verses. We are doing, we'll take a call on that. But you should know that it is there. So please mark it, it is there. Thank you, Veena. So, Makhashanat again is that fifth case. So, fifth case, though it is from, it is also given as a comparison. Makha is a yajna. All the yajna happens. Huh? So, gods are praising Lord, or they want to, they offer everything in the yajna. So now they are praising, gods are sitting up and praising that Sukhashanam tu iha tava gopamandale. In amidst the gopamandalas, amidst all the cowherd boys, Sukhasana, you are happily eating over here. Maybe it is better than our Makhashana comparison. Our yajna, whatever we offer in yajna for you, think more than that, this is what you like. That with the Gopamandala, you are Sukhasana, right? Rather than the Makhasana. That's a beautiful comparison. Iti stuta tridashavaraihi jagatpate. Iti, in this way, they praise the Lord and the Jagatpati tridashavaraihi by the gods. Third case, by the gods. Jagatpati was praised in this way. Iti stuta. O Marutpuri Nilaya, O Guruvairappa. Gadat Prapahi Mam, protect me from my disease. And then chapter 15 must be chanted. Sukhashanam Tvihatava Gopa Mandale, Makhashanat Priyamiva Deva Mandale, Itistutastridashavarair Jagatpate, Marutpuri Nilaya Gadat Prapahi Mam. Vasudevasutam Devam Kamsachanuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Aham Vaishwanaram Bhutva Praninam Dehamashthayaha Pranapana Samayuktaha Pachamyannan Chaturvidham. So we'll just, as a formality, taken a dhyana shloka, and this we'll just mark it. Then probably the Lord will give idea. Every thought has come right away now. Sada sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. So we have completed this dashakam with His grace easily. Let's dive into the next immediately. It's Brahmaji's ego to be leveled, and Vasanta Tilaka we have done before. If you are not remembering, you'll have to go and see your notes. We are not wasting time. Let's get into it. So, Brahmakrit Vatsapahara Varanarim. So, Vatsapahara, calves, apahara. He has kidnapped. So now that Brahma has done some sinister plans. See how even gods are thinking, huh? Anyavatara-nikareshva-nireekshitante.
अन्यावतारनिकरेष्वनिरीक्षितन्ते
भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष-तदाघ-मोक्षे.
भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदाघमोक्षे
ब्रह्मा परीक्षितुमनः सपरोक्षभावम्.
ब्रह्मा परीक्षितुमनः सपरोक्षभावम्
निन्येथ वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्.
निन्येथ वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्
Forgot to
अन्यावतारनिकरेष्वपि
take the kids first, but after this kids, I'll take you in a while after this. After Shri, then Nikhila ji, I'll come back to you again. I'm sorry. Because they will have to run for their tuitions and all. Okay, please go ahead. You can go higher. Anyavataranikareshvanireekshitante.
अन्यावतारनिकरेष्वनिरीक्षितन्ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदाघमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितुमनाः सपरोक्षभावम् निन्येथ वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्.
So, how now the gods also have some different plans, huh? 1 minute, I just. So, Anyavatara, Nikareshu. In other avatars, God has not shown such a thing. So, Anirikshitam. God such leelas have not seen in other avatars. Do we see in Rama avatar God doing this? Avatara, did we see anything? Matsya avatara, did we see? Did we see anything in Narasimha avatar? In other avatars, Anya avatara nikaraha nikareshu anirikshita. Like this, God's things, leelas have not been seen in any other avatar. This is a small child, huh, Krishna? Still. So by now, so many asuras have been killed. So, Bhumatirekam abhiviksha. So much Lord's glory, seeing all that, Tadagha mokshe, and then this liberation of Aghasura is also seeing all this, Brahmaji parikshitum. Brahmaji is having mana in his mind to test the Lord. Parikshitum ichha. Now, what to do? Brahmaji has thought that he should test the Lord. Then, with that thought, how he wants to test the Lord? What he did? Paroksha bhavam ninye. He made paroksha bhava, invisible, ninye. He made invisible. Who? Vatsaka gana. Pravitatya mayam. With his maya power, he brought out his maya power and he made all his Vatsaka gana disappear. Now what to do? Okay. Anyavataranikарeshvaniरीक्षितन्ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदाघमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितुमनाः सपरोक्षभावम् निन्येथ वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्. Yes, Anish, you can join. Anika and Arjun will also join, right? Later when you are finishing?
They will come in sometime.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
By the time you're finishing, right? They will join, correct? No,
Yeah.
Afterwards. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, fair enough. So if the camera is on, I know that I have to call. Okay, let's start with it. Vatsana viksha vivashe pashupot karetan.
Vatsana viksha vivashe pashupotkaretan.
Anetu kama iva dhatrmatanuvarti.
Anetu kama iva dhatrmatanuvarti.
Tvam sami bhukta kabalo gatavamstadanim.
Sami bhukta kavalo gatavamstadanim.
Bhuktam stirodhita saroja bhavah kumaran.
Bhuktam stirodhita saroja bhavah kumaran. Vatsana viksha vivashe pashupotkaretan. Anetu kama iva dhatrmatanuvarti. Sami bhukta kavalo gatavamstadanim. Bhuktam stirodhita saroja bhavah kumaran.
It's a treat to hear you, Anish. Thank you. So now, what happens? Vatsan aviksha. Vatsa all these calves. Paviksha, not seen. Vivashe, Pashupotkara. So all the boys, all the cowherd boys, Vivashe, they felt very helpless. Then Tan Anetum Kama, to Anetum Kama, desire to bring them, Iva, as if to desire to bring them. Bhatrumatanu Virti. Bhatrumata is this Brahmaji's. Brahmaji has this plan which Lord knows. And as if for Brahmaji to Anuvarti, to fulfill his plan, Lord has said to the boys that, don't worry, I'm going to go and bring the calves. Lord already knows what's happening. So Lord is now, you, Sami Bhukta Kabala, that half-eaten rice ball, you left like that, and Gatavan Tadanim, that time itself you went. So boys are waiting. They all were eating, right? You remember Lord is holding the food in his hand in that agas, wherever. So now Brahmaji has come, he has disappeared, he has taken away the calves. Boys don't know, boys are worrying. But Lord knows, and Lord is fueling Brahmaji's wicked mind. Okay, you want to play with me, I'll also play with you. In that sense, and God is pretending that he's going now to get the calves. So that time, Bhuktam Stirodhita Saroja Bhavaha Kumaran. Bhuktan Kumaran. So it is like that. Bhuktan. So when we open that Sandhi, Bhuktan Tirodhita. So Bhuktan Kumaran. The Vibhakti we have to match. So the Kumaras who were eating food, Bhuktan, who were eating Tirodhita. They were also made disappear. By whom? Saroja Bhava. Saroja, lotus. Bhava happened. The one who has come from Saroja. That is Brahmaji. Brahmaji now. So first he took away the calves. Lord goes over there. The kids who were over here, now he takes away them also. He just made them disappear. Vatsan Viksha Vivashe Pashupotkare Tanane Tu Kamaiva Dhatramatanvarti Tvam Sami Bhukta Kabalo Gatavam Stadanim Bhuktam Stirodhita Saroja Bhavah Kumaran. Okay, is Prahlad there?
Yes.
Okay, just hold on, let me. Number 3 for you. Vatsaitas-tadanu gopaganaitastvam.
Vatsaitas-tadanu gopaganaitastvam.
Shikyadi bhandamurali gavaladi rupaha.
Shikyadi bhandamurali
Bhanda, bhanda. Aaki matra?
Okay. Shikyadi bhandamurali gavaladi rupaha.
Pragvadvihritya vipineshu chiraya sayam.
Pragvadvihritya vipineshu chiraya sayam.
Vammayayatha bahudha vrajamayayatha.
Tvammayayatha bahudha vrajamayayatha.
Very good. Go ahead.
Vatsayitastadanu gopaganaitastvam. Shikyadi bhandamurali gavaladi rupaha. Pragvadvihritya vipineshu chiraya sayam. Vammayayatha bahudha vrajamayayatha.
Very nice. So now what happens? See, now Brahmaji has taken away all this. Vatsaitaha. And tadanu gopaganaitaha. Tvam, you. Shikyadi, bhanda, murali, gavaladi, rupaha. So, tvam rupaha. Lord became Vatsaitaha. He became all the calves. Then Tadanu and also Gopaganaitaha. You became all the Gopaganas also. So Lord has reproduced. How many Gopa kids were there? And how many calves were there? Well, he has taken the form of all of that. Not only that, Shikya Adi Bhanda. They had come for Vana Bhojana, right? So they brought all the vessels and all with them, the containers, the tiffin boxes and all. So Lord took a form of all those tiffin boxes also. Not only that, they had their flutes and they had all their things. Lord became those things of each boy that has carried. Not only that, that particular boy will having that particular dress and that particular mala, particular thing or whatever they were wearing, that everything, each and everything was replicated by the Lord as it is. Okay. Then, Pragvat, how it was before. Virhutya, Vipineshu Chiraya Sayam. Then roamed. How they came, for what purpose they came, to play and to eat. So with Lord is playing with himself as though they are the gopas and with the calves. Chiraya for a long time, Sayam till the evening, Lord continued to play as it is, Pragvat, as it was, and Virutya and roamed also in the forest. And then, Tvam Maya Yatha Bahudha, Vraja Maya Yatha. So, you with your Maya, you produced all so many things. And then Vrajam Ayayatha. And then in the evening, you return back also. So now, Brahmaji has taken original. Lord has become the replication. And those replicated cows and calves have come and they have gone now to their own houses. It means Lord has only gone to all the Gopis' houses and all those respective pegs in those houses. So beautiful. वत्सायितस्तदनु गोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीगवलादिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु. Vipina is forest, Saptami, in the forest, Pragvat. Chiraya Sayam Tvam Mayayath Bahudha Vrajamayayatha. So, Mayaya, by your Maya, and Vrajam, Ayayatha, Vrajamayayatha. So these are like words which we need to enjoy. By your Maya, thus you have produced, and Vrajam Ayayatha. You came back home, back to Vrajabhum. They're gone in the forest, they come home. Okay, Arjun and Nisha's camera is still off, but I will wait if it gets on. And we go back now to Nikhilaji. Hold on, can you raise your hand, Nikhilaji, so that I can spot you easily? Let's see. Nikhilaji, you are there?
Yes, Varshaji.
Okay, now I saw. Okay. Number 4. Tvameva Shikya Gavaladi Mayandadhanaha.
Tvameva Shikya Gavaladi Mayandadhanaha.
Bhuyastvameva Pashuvatsakabalarupaha.
Bhuyastvameva Pashuvatsakabalarupaha.
Gorupinibhirapi Gopavadhumayibhihi.
Gorupinibhirapi Gopavadhumayibhihi.
Asaditosi. Don't say rasa because you are familiar with the rasa and gopi word has come. Nothing has happened over there. It's asadita. Asaditosi janani bhirati praharsha.
Asaditosi janani bhirati praharshat. Tvameva shiksya gavaladi mayandadhanaha. Bhuyastvameva pashuvatsakabalarupaha. Gorupinibhirapi gopavadhumayibhihi. Asaditosi janani bhirati praharshat.
So, now what is over here happening? So now Tvameva, you have only taken Shikya Gavala the Maya Dadhana. You have only taken the form of even the vessel and all the things. And Bhuya, again you have only taken the form of Tvameva, you only, Pashuvat, and this Vatsabala Rupa also. All the calf and this Pashupas also, you have only taken the Rupa. So, this Go Rupini Bhi. So, this mother cow and Gopavadhu Bhihi. And the mother of these children, these Pashupas, the kids, Asaditosi, they received Janani bhihi. And all these mothers, everybody received ati praharshat. So there was this ati praharsha in receiving their own cows and calves and their children, which earlier was not there, but now some different changes that they were very happy to receive this. So that's very beautifully put in Bhagavad. Over here, he has used asadita se ati praharsha. They received it very in a happy. Why not? Lord has only come to their house. They don't know. They only know that they are happy receiving their own children, the mother cows also and the mothers of these Pashupas. त्वामेव शिक्यगवलादिमयं दधानः भूयस्त्वमेव पशुवत्सकबालरूपः गोरूपिणीभिरपि गोपवधूमयीभिः आसादितोऽसि जननीभिरतिप्रहर्षात्. Srihari ji had chanted, right? Yeah. Oh, excellent. I don't see one. Could you raise your hand? Oh, it's raised or not? Raise your hand, Uchulaji. I'm not finding your name. Okay.
Yeah.
Radha Krishna, yes, got it. Radha Krishnan ji. Number 5. जीवं हि कञ्चिदभिमानवशात् स्वकीयम्
जीवं हि किञ्चिदभिमानवशात्त्वगीयम्
मत्वा तनूज इति रागभरं वहन्त्यः
मत्वा तनूज इति रागपरं वहन्त्यः
आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुम्
आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुम्
प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियती वनिताश्च गावः
प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियति वनिताश्च गावः जीवं हि किञ्चिदभिमानवशास्त्वकीयम् मत्वा
जीवं हि ट्यून् फर्स्ट लाइन जीवं हि
किञ्चित् is it कंचित or किञ्चित्
कंचित
जीवं हि कञ्चिदभिमानवशास्त्वकीयम् मत्वा तनूज इति रागभरं वहन्त्यः आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य.
The tune. Okay, doesn't matter. The tune you are using same tune everywhere. Jeevam hi kanchidabhimanavashat swakiyam matva tanujaiti ragabharam vahantyah.
जीवं हि किञ्चिदभिमानवशास्त्वकीयम् मत्वा तनूज इति रागपरं वहन्त्यः आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुम् प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियति वनिताश्च गावः.
You have missed the tune completely. You need to come back to the video when I post so that you will, when you hear yourself, probably you'll realize, oh, what you're saying. Because you know the tune, I know, but now it has not come. But you will need to revisit once we upload this. Okay. So now some nice Vedanta part has come over here. Jivam hi kanchit, some jiva. Abhimana vashat, by the feeling of our own abhimana, swakiyam, and minus. Abhimana of I-ness. Swakiyam is minus. So with our own swakiya abhimana, some kanchit jiva, some jiva, matva, that tanuja, now it has come to me, no? Then I have that, this is my son. So somebody else's son, we don't have the same thing, no, children. When I have my abhimana of I-ness and minus, then this is my son. My son has come. Minus has come. And I have given birth to it. And that time there is so much ragabharam vahantya. That time there is so much attachment. Extra attachment, no, to my son, my child, my daughter. Neighbor's son, neighbor's child, neighbor's daughter doesn't come with that same thing. When Atmanameva, when that self, Bhavantam avapya sunum, when now they have got you as their son, Bhavantam to you, avapya they have got as their child, Pritim yahuna kiyatim vanitascha gavaha, vanitaha and gavaha, the women and the cows. Kiyatim, how much priti yayuhu, how much love must be oozing out for them. Some Kanchid Atmanam and now Bhagavan as Atmanam. See the difference there. Bhattatari ji is that poetic view of comparing that how the attachment now. Now when they have got you, that means how much love. Otherwise also there is so much love. Now when you have only Bhavantam Avapya, Kiyati Priti, how much love. So it's very beautiful comparison to enjoy this verse. And if possible, memorize that. It will remind us where we lack, My son, your son, we have this so much, no? Jeevam hi kanchidabhimanavashat swakiyam matva tanujaiti ragabharam vahantyah atmanameva tu bhavantam avapya sunam pritim yayurna kiyatim vanitascha gavaha. I see my sweet to come. Okay. Number 6 for you, dear. Evam pratikshana vijrumbhita harsha bhara nishesha gopa. Oh, that time also you got two together, right? Now also you got two together. Evam pratikshana vijrumbhita harsha bhara nishesha gopa gana lalita bhuri murtim.
एवं प्रतिक्षणविजृम्भित हर्षभारनिश्चेषगोपगणलालितभूरिमूर्तिम्
वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते
वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते
ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः
ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः एवं प्रतिक्षणविजृम्भितहर्षभारनिःशेषगोपगणलालितभूरिमूर्तिम् त्वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः.
Awesome, my dear. Just now, he's going to come now only, immediately after you. Okay, so I'll keep this on and images. So now what has happened is, see, evam, in this way, pratikshana vijrumbhita harsha. Every moment, the harsha, the joy is only increasing. And this nishesha gopagana lalita bhuri murtim. So this joy is keeping on increasing. And the parents are fondling the boys and the calves. And they are not aware, except one person who is aware. Who? Tvam agrajopi bubudhe, your agraja. So Balramji bubudhe, he is knowing that. And Vatsarante, at the end of the year, Brahmatmana manorapi mahan yuvayor vishesha. So Brahmatmana, you both are eventually the Paramatman, the Brahmatman. And there is not much big difference, but only thing is Balramji is a Amsha Avtara and Lord is a Purna Avtara. So that relation they have expressed out over here. Okay. No. Vam agrajopi bubudhe kila vatsarante. At the end of the year, only Balramji came to me. Not at that time. Not at that time Balramji came to know. Though both of you are Brahmatman, even Lord has was able to not express that he is that form for Balramji also. Otherwise, Balramji should know. Balramji didn't even know, and he came to know Bubudhe Vatsarante only at the end of the year. So all this drama was going on for a year. Because Brahmaji said he's just going to do it for a moment, when Brahmaji's moment has become 1 year old. Okay. एवं प्रतिक्षण विजृंभित हर्ष भार निःशेष गोप गण लालित भूरि मूर्तिं वामग्रजोऽपि बुबुधे किल वत्सरान्ते ब्रह्मात्मनोरपि महान् युवयोर्विशेषः. Attention for you, number 7. वर्षावधौ नव पुरातन वत्सपालान्
वर्षावधौ नवपुरातनवत्सपालान्
दृष्ट्वा विवेकमसृणे दृढिणे विमूढे
दृष्ट्वा विवेकमसृणे द्रुहिणे विमूढे
तादीदृशः प्रतिनवान् मकुटाङ्गदादि. We have to keep it together. मकुटाङ्गदादि भूषांश्चतुर्भुजयुजः सजलाम्बुदाभाम्.
प्रादीदृशः प्रतिनवान् मुकटाङ्गदादिभूषाश्चतुर्भुजयुजः सजलाम्बुदाभान्. वर्षाबुधौ नवपुरातनवत्सपालान् दृष्ट्वा विवेकमसृणे द्रुहिणे विमूढे प्रादीदृशः प्रतिनवान् मुकटाङ्गदादिभूषांश्चतुर्भुजयुजः सजलाम्बुदाभान्.
So very, very fun thing has happened. Varshavadhau, when the year has finished, Nava Puratanam, the old ones and the new ones, this Vatsapalas, means the one which Brahmaji took is the old one. And one what he's seeing over here, the new ones, Drishtva, having seen this new and the old calves and all these Gopals, Drishtva, having seen, Vivekam Asrune, he couldn't fathom, he couldn't distinguish Druhine, who? Brahmaji, Druhina, Muhe, and Vimudhe. He just got deluded. He just got so confused. Hey, what I have taken and but what I'm seeing over here, did he take it back? Did he know where I had kept them? And then Pradidrishaha, what Lord has shown him, because he got confused. Pratinavan, in all his Navan which were there, Lord showed him as Mukuta, Angadi, Bhushan and Chaturbhuja. How is Lord? Lord is Chaturbhuja. So Lord's Chaturbhuja Roop with Lord's Mukuta and all the ornaments and everything, in every Vatsaka, in every Pashupa, Lord showed Pradidusha to Druhina. Druhina is seeing only as the calf and the cowboys. But now Lord, in every cowboy and every calf, Lord is showing his Chaturbhuja Roop to Brahmaji. With Mukutadhari, he's showing. So all this in that cartoon is very good. You better watch the cartoon to imagine this so very beautifully put. My God. So Jala Ambudabhan, and that Ambudha, that cloud, which is, when it's just going to about to rain, how that heavy, the water-filled cloud color is, dark colored. So Lord's, that color also is on to those Vatsakas and those Pashupas. So beautiful. Varsha vadhau navapuratan vatsapalat drishtva vivekam asrune druhine vimudhe tradi drishak pratinavan mukutangadadi bhusham chatur bhujayujas sajalam budabhan. Sumanaji. Number 8. प्रत्येकमेव कमला परिलालिताङ्गान्
प्रत्येकमेव कमला परिलालिताङ्गान्
भोगीन्द्र भोगशयना नयनाभिरामान्
भोगीन्द्र भोगशयनानयनाभिरामान्
लीलानिमीलितदृशः सनकादियोगिव्यासेवितान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श Sanakadiyogivyase. So there is a dvitva that we should do over there.
लीलानिमीलितदृशः सनकादियोगिव्यासेवितान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श प्रत्येकमेव कमलापरिलालिताङ्गान् भोगीन्द्रभोगशयनान्नयनाभिरामान् लीलानिमीलितदृशः सनकादियोगिव्यासेवितान् कमलभूर्भवतो ददर्श.
Now Brahmaji is seeing something more also. What is he saying? Pratyekameva, each of them, Kamala Parilalitanga. Kamala over here is Lakshmi. Parilalitanga, she is addressing to Lord's limbs. And where is Lord? Bhogindra Bhogashayana. On the Bhogindra, on the Shesha Shayana, he is reclining on that. And Nayanabhiraman, he is like so very pleasant to see. He is like very attractive for the eyes. And Leela Nimilita Drisha, he has closed his eyes, half closed eyes in his Leela. And Sanakadi Yogi Vyasevitan, all the Sanat Kumaras and all the other yogis are serving the Lord. Kamalabhuhu Bhavataha Dadarsha. Kamalabhu, the one who came from the lotus, that Brahmaji, Bhavataha Dadarsha, saw you like this in each of them. Just imagine what darshan Brahmaji has got. He's testing Lord. God has given his, my God, a full darshan in every possible way, multiple times, not just one form of Chaturbhuja. So many Chaturbhuja and so many Kamala Lalitanga. Pratyekam Kamala Parilalitanga Bhogindra Bhogashayana Nayanabhiramat Leela Nimilita Drishassanakadi Yogi Vyasevitan Kamalabhur Bhavato Dadarsha. Okay, we have Sumanaji just did now, right? Okay, Lalita Ma. Number. Aha! Sweetu, good to see you. Are you going to chant? Oh, my connection went.
Yes.
You are going to chant, my dear? Or you want to try some different shlok? Give me your name again. I just forgot. Sorry. Sorry?
Nirja.
Nirja. Nirja. Yes. So I'll give you another shlok to chant. You'll repeat after me.
Yes.
Vasudeva Sutam Devam. You come closer to the mic. You come to the laptop. You come closer to the laptop. Your voice is breaking. You come to the laptop. Still more. Come on your right. Okay. Now you say from there. You know this shlok. Let me hear from you.
Say that.
You know this shlok? You have heard this? No. Oh, I thought you were saying that.
Yes.
Yeah. That's what. Then say that.
Which?
Vasudeva Sutam.
Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kausachanuramardanam Devaki Parmanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru.
Awesome. Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. I bow down to that Krishna. So may you chant this shlok every day and do namaskara to Krishna. Then that shlok will have more meaning. Okay, sweetu? Now I will sit with your granny for the next shloka. Connection has dropped in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, the
Let us
next
start.
one.
Next one.
Ninth one.
Narayanakritimasankhyatamān nirīkṣya
नारायणाकृतिमसङ्ख्यतमान् निरीक्ष्य
sarvatra sevakamapi swamavekshya dhātā
सर्वत्र सेवकमपि स्वमवेक्ष्य धाता
māyāni magna hridayo vimumoha yavat. Ending.
माया निमग्न हृदयो विमुमोह यावत्
एको बभूविथ तदा कबलार्धपाणिः
एको बभूविथ तदा कबलार्धपाणिः नारायणाकृतिमसंख्य निमग्न हृदयो एको बभूथ तदा कबलार्धपाणिः.
I don't know my connection or your connection, but I couldn't hear. I could hear it in between. Nirja, it was sweet hearing you in between. Attend the class so that we can hear more from you, Nirja. Bless you abundantly. Okay, let's get into this one. Narayana Akriti. Asankhyatamam Niriksha. Asankhya. Innumerable such Narayana Akritis. Seeing Niriksha, having seen Sarvatra, everywhere, and there Sevakamapi Swam Aveksha, that Dhata, that Brahmaji, he is the Sevak. Aveksha, having seen Lord's Narayana Kruti everywhere, and he being the Sevak everywhere, having seen that, Maya Nimagna Hridayaha, his Hridaya, his mind, Maya Nimagna, he got completely confused. Vimumoha Yavat. So when Lord saw that Brahmaji is now completely off and confused, that Brahmaji is seeing those many Brahmajis serving the Lord with so many Narayana Krutis, that time Ekaha Babhuvitha tada Kabalardha Pani. That how he was, no, with that Kabalardha, half-eaten rice ball was there, and how he was before all this scene could happen. He just came back into that form. He just erased all that. So now Brahmaji's this confusion and all. It's very good in that part. You all must watch this. Narayana kritim asankhyatamam niriksha sarvatra sevakamapi swamaveksha dhata swam. Sevakamapi swam. Those many Brahmajis, those many Narayanas, those many Brahmajis. He's seeing himself. Then what will happen? Maya nimagna only. Maya nimagna hridayo vimumoha yavat eko babhuvitha tada kabalardha panihi. Oh, time is up, but we have reached our last verse somehow. Excellent. And though we got so much time to chit chat and go slow also, we didn't rush through this. Probably if we were in our high speed mode, we could have started the third dashaka also today, but we were a little slow. Never mind. Let's see. Nashyan made tadanu vishvapatim muhustvam.
Nashyan made tadanu vishvapatim muhustvam.
Shamalaji, you also chant because your hand is also raised.
Nashyanmade tadanu vishvapatim muhutsvam.
Muhustvam, twa, not swam.
Muhutsvam. Muhutsvam.
Natva cha nutavati dhatari dhamayate.
Natva cha nutavati dhatari dhamayate.
Natva cha nutavati dhatari dhamayate.
Pautai samam pramuditai pravisanniketam.
Pautai samam pramuditai pravisanniketam.
Pautai samam pramuditai pravisanniketam.
Atalayadhipa vibho paripahi roga.
Vatalayadhipa vibho paripahi rogat.
Vatalayadhipa vibho paripahi rogat.
Nashyanmade tadanu vishvapatim muhustvam. Natva cha nutavati dhatari dhamayate. Potai samam pramuditai pravisanniketam. Vatalayadhipa vibho paripahi rogat.
Nashyanmade tadanu vishvapatim muhustvam. Natva cha nutavati dhatari धाम याते पोतैः समं प्रमुदितैः प्रविशन्निकेतं वातालयाधिप विभो परिपाहि रोगात् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायणाखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते.
Thank you, Sampraji. Okay, so this again, this Sati Saptami phrase has come. Nashyanmade is in Saptami, Dhatari is in Saptami. So Dhatari is the Dhata, huh? So Dhata is Brahmaji. So when how we say Sati Saptami is when this happened, then this happened. So like this, when Nashyanmada has happened, when the Mada of Brahmaji is Nashyan, when his ego was lowered or when he was humbled, he is testing the Lord. And after his confusion, we see what a might. So when his ego was humbled, Tadanu, that time, Vishwapatim, to Vishwapati. Second case, to Muhuhu, Natva and Nutavati. He bowed down again and again to the Lord. And he praised again and again to the Lord. And then Dhamayate, he went to his abode. So when Brahmaji's ego was lowered, he praised the Lord, he bowed down to the Lord, and he returned home. One sentence over. Second, Potaihi Sama, with all his boys, Pramuditaihi Potaihi. See, we have to match the vibhaktis. And those happy boys, and he Pravishan Niketam, they came back home. Everything is merged into now, and these original boys whom Brahmaji has got, so they happily have come back home. They don't know that they didn't live over there with their parents for 1 year. Lord has been managing the scene over there. Oh Vatalayadhipa, oh Guruvairappa, Vibho, the all-pervading one, Paripahi Rogat. You are pervading everywhere, no? Now Maya, the disease you can remove so easily. Please, so many magics you are doing. One magic, my one problem you please solve and give. We should be so honest in saying this, and that conviction that we tell him and he would do, that much bond and love if we make. Somebody saying sometimes we don't pay attention, but somebody who's again and again calling us, we pay attention over there. Somebody who serves us, we give more attention. Neighbor's maid, we will not. But the maid who is in our house, she's serving us. So whom we give more attention? Who is taking care of us, who is calling us so earnestly, and who is repeatedly calling us. So if we have to have that belief and conviction that he comes to help. He would. Am I calling him so repeatedly? Am I calling him so earnestly? And am I having that belief that this problem is going to get solved? So sometimes that faith also gets shaken if some little bigger problem comes. We abandon God so very easily. You will always do like this only to me. Why only me? This comes, the blame on the God very easily. Minusing all our karmas and minusing everything else. But see over here, Bhattatiriji's earnestness that you are doing so much, you reduce this my pahimam rogat. Nashyanmade tadanu vishwapatim muhustvam natva chanutavati dhatari dhamayate potei samam pramuditai pravisanniketam vatalayadhipa vibho paripahi rogat sada sarvatra govinda nama sankirtanam govinda govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. So with his grace, we have completed today's 2 dashakams very comfortably. Tomorrow we dive into next 2. And with his grace, we will soon complete. Keep on practicing, keep on listening. At least 1 or 2 dashakams every day should happen. Writing of dashakams, please take up in a very good looking notebook, which is very strong, which would last for the rest of the life, because that would be your reference book that you are going to carry everywhere, wherever you go to Parayan. And whatever we have writing instruction, like now today is Bhaskara we chanted. So all this should be written. And so don't refer another Bhagavad Gita book then. Over there you have written your Gita. Whatever is required is written over there in that sequence. Then you have to carry only that one book and go. So please take that project soon. Don't postpone it. If any doubts are there, today we have finished very comfortably. We didn't eat into daily Gita's time. We have still 5 minutes to go with it. Any doubts? So I have, for after a long time, I have a live doubt clearing session. Happy with that. Any doubts?
Varshaji, in the last shlokam, that pothai samam pramuditai, is it pramuditai, ditai or ditai?
Ditai, because provision is there, no? Pa is there the next.
So ditai.
Visarga sakara, samam, anuswaras makara, pramuditai, pakara. So it's actually exactly not fur also. It's so in Vyoma they have told that you are not actually bringing out the fur as a expressed out, but as though you're going to say so pramuditai. So but we are saying in that way, but let it be, because otherwise it will go for the ka visarga part. Yeah, so that should happen. Yes, pramuditai tradition.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Lakshmi, Prahlad, you are having a doubt. I see your hand raised.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
The name of the meter for 51, Dashakam?
Atiruchira. Atiruchira.
Atiruchira. Okay, thank you.
And where we saw the definition. The second one is Vasanta Tilaka, which we have done so many verses before. So today we didn't discuss. Lakshmi ji. Good. Any more? Neeraja, see you tomorrow also. Come prepared with another shloka, which I want to hear from your Krishna shloka. Okay. Thank you. Let's end today's session. Yes, we do. Bless you. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you,
Varshaji.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you.
Varshaji.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Ji. Hari Om.
Thank you, Varshaji. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Indraji. Hari Om. Thank you, Devaki. Oh, Devaki, I called him. Good. Krishna Zima.